Okay, guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Hot Wheels collection. This is really actually my first really Hot Wheels video I posted on YouTube because my phone doesn't really have YouTube. So, there's my annoying sister, and, yeah, I'm just going to be looking at Hot Wheels today. Okay, so let's paper off of it. This is a, I think it's like what's that look like to you? Write down in the comments below. And I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to guess what this is. 1, 2, 3. Shush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, time's out. It is a
Porsche 911.
It is a I actually forgot what it was too. It's a 2016 Ford GT. Don't worry, we got some really cool ones coming up. Next is La Master, the Lamborghini Huracan or Hurricane. So every time I do a Hot Wheels video, the first car race, I'm gonna give you like 10 seconds to guess what it is. But yeah.
No.
So that's the Lamborghini. Well, first we're doing my supercars. Oh, and this one, you guys might have this model. You guys didn't really like it, so Hot Wheels changed it to a white version. But I don't got the white version. I got that green Aston Martin Vulcan.
No,
I honestly, I don't really like the color either.
He does. He does have it. Oh.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, so that was the Aston Martin Vulcan. I think that's my last supercar, I think. Yeah, it's my last supercar. Now we're going to do muscle cars, which I actually have some pretty cool muscle cars. I have the Chevy Chevelle SS, and this is an SS, so that's pretty cool. Chevy Chevelle SS. And there was another model of this. I had it. It was a black one. I thought that one was pretty cool too. But that was my first muscle car. Sorry, some just fricked up, guys. Okay, so here's another muscle car. You guys might know what this is just by telling by the looks. It is a 2010 Ford Mustang Mustang. These cars have been coming really popular around, America, because they're Mustangs. They're fast.
Does this have a piece to it or not?
It don't have a piece to it. But don't throw it away!
I put it in the recycling bin.
Don't throw it away at all! Okay, my mom believes. What's time to go? Oh, sorry guys, I'll make a part 2 later, but